I think we can all agree that the coronavirus has left the world devastated and anxious about what follows, about whether we'll be able to leave this behind in the coming months. Anxious about our livelihood, our mental health, and a lot of other things. The virus has taken a huge toll on all individual lives, and we are all affected. But what can we do that could potentially bring us one step closer to a normal life? The answer is simple.
As of 12 February 2021, there have been 4 million cases of COVID-19 in the United Kingdom and 3.5 million in England alone. Experts have stated that maintaining hygiene measures, using protective screens, masks, and social distancing is key to reducing the spread of this virus. Moreover, the NHS have also faced many challenges during this pandemic. Medical staff have been working tirelessly to cater to the surge of cases and treating the overwhelming number of patients in intensive care. Quite honestly, if I were a nurse or a doctor during this period of time, I would probably be scared to see so many people suffering on such a large scale. NHS workers have also been really frightened at the possibility of them spreading the virus onto their own family, and it has significantly affected their mental health and made them feel isolated. However, there is a lot that we, as good citizens of this society, can do to help eradicate this virus.
To begin with, let us talk about the vaccine. Contrary to popular anti-vaxxer belief, the vaccine does not contain a tracking device. So what is the definition of a vaccine? It is killed or weakened version of bacteria or viruses that stimulate antibodies production that help eradicate the virus. According to epidemiologists, of 70% of the population may need to develop immunity to COVID-19 through vaccination.
This is because being vaccinated not only directly protects you from infection, but it also helps others who may be too vulnerable to be infected. When enough of the population has been vaccinated, it is much more difficult for the virus to spread, and this is called herd immunity. Currently, the vaccine is given to people aged 65 and over, people who are at high risk from the virus, people who live or work in care homes, and health and social care workers. It is understandable why some may be hesitant towards the vaccine. Maybe some have a fear of needles itself, or some wish for others to take the vaccine first to figure out if it is safe. However, the vaccines are very safe as they have been approved for use in the UK and have met strict standards of safety, quality, and effectiveness set out by the Independent Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency, also called the MHRA. And approved vaccines have gone through all the clinical trials and safety checks. So far, millions of people have been given a COVID-19 vaccine, and reports of serious side effects such as allergic reactions have been very rare, and no long-term complications have been reported. Like all vaccines, some side effects may be experienced, but these are usually mild and shouldn't last longer than a week. For example, headache or tiredness.
Furthermore, they do not contain any animal products or eggs and have been tested on thousands of people from many backgrounds, including Black and Asians.
Conclusion: the COVID-19 vaccine may be our best chance at combating the virus. True, the vaccine will not resolve all our COVID-19 problems, but they will allow us to progress towards a new normal without the current strict restrictions in 2021.